Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about how to increase your money in MLM Online. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. How to increase your money in MLM Online through trust. Just like any other online business, you can learn how to increase your money in MLM Online as well. All you need to do is be ready to take a few steps and be prepared to take action. Before you even begin to learn how to increase your money in MLM Online, you need to understand that it's all about relationships. In order to be successful, you need to be able to build and maintain relationships with people who will be of use to you. By following these steps you'll be sure to build a great network marketing team. I'm going to tell you what to say, not in your sales pitch, but in your content only. You want to attract people that are hungry to be doing business with you. They will come to you because you speak to the problems they are facing in life. What kind of problems do you want them to solve? Is it getting bigger or smaller? Is it bigger or smaller? This question will help you determine who you want to attract to your business. One thing you need to learn before you get started is that you never want to be the hard sell for your online MLM opportunity. By this I mean, you should never go in there and try to make anyone buy from you before they know what they're getting into. So before you build your online MLM business, before you create any of your marketing materials, before you even start working with your downlines, you need to build trust in yourself first. This will make it much easier for you to gain the trust of others. If you ever hear someone ask, "Can I get your information or product for free?" just say, "No, if you really want to buy my product, then you have to give me something in return." When I am asked, "Can I get your free product?" I would say, "No, I do not want to give you anything for free. So I will tell you what I want to give you." I would say, "You buy me a coffee. That's what I want." So now you can see why I use the phrase, "buy me a coffee," when I am selling my products or services. When you understand the way I would tell someone to respond to my offer, then you'll learn how to increase your money in MLM Online by building trust. You also need to have a system that you implement. People will come to you and tell you about a problem that they are having in life, a lack of success, or a quality product or service that they want to sell. So now you will be able to build relationships. You will also be able to build relationships with your downlines. So remember, before you can really learn how to increase your money in MLM Online, you need to learn how to build trust with others. As you build trust, you'll build relationships and it will be much easier for you to learn how to increase your money in MLM Online. So don't forget to always build trust. How to increase your money in MLM Online. You will need to know how to increase your money in MLM Online. You may be asking, how can I possibly increase my money in MLM Online? The answer is that if you have the right tools and the right attitude, you will be able to get involved in your chosen MLM opportunity for free. This video is going to look at how to increase your money in MLM Online without investing a dime of your own money. What you will find is that when you learn how to become successful in MLM Online, you are automatically going to generate the same results that so many others have done. There are a few steps that you need to take to increase your money in MLM Online. One of those steps is doing more than just talking about it. In other words, you will not have a successful MLM career if you just talk about it. Confidence is the most major factor in succeeding. People who are confident in their abilities will be more successful. The more people hear about what you are doing, the more successful you will be. Your education on the internet can also help you immensely with your affiliate business. Having a business education can do wonders for you. If you do not have that type of education, then there are many companies out there that offer excellent programs for your new business. You also need to be willing to spend the time required to learn how to increase your money in MLM Online. If you are constantly busy, then you are simply going to be put down for the long haul. If you dedicate some time each day to learning about MLM, you will quickly see the results you desire. Make sure that your business is going to be profitable. If you cannot afford to be profitable, then don't start a business. Your business could go out of business. By going into business, you will be assured that you will have an income to show for your efforts. Marketing is always a topic that will come up in your network marketing business. But marketing should not be overly emphasized. The reason for this is that you want your marketing efforts to be in sync with the goals that you have set forth. It will be easier for you to accomplish your goals if you can stick to easy tasks. When you can accomplish more difficult tasks, then you will be able to bring success to your business. You will also be able to concentrate on those harder tasks. This is going to make it easier for you to get into a position where you can begin to see success. Keep in mind that you must focus on what you want to achieve. Do not let those things that you think are obstacles hinder you from getting what you want. There are many companies that offer free reports. When looking for these free reports, look for those that provide details on what you need to do. Also, be sure to read the reviews before you actually sign up for the MLM opportunity. These are the most important things that you need to do to succeed in MLM. You can be successful in your MLM business without having to invest any money. Those who don't want to invest the money have no place in this business. Increase your money in MLM Online. It is possible to increase your money in MLM Online as long as you follow a few guidelines. In MLM business, if you are successful, you need to build an MLM marketing business. A network that can help others grow as well. Building a network of friends and associates is the first step towards building a successful business. You can learn how to increase your money in MLM Online as long as you know what you are doing. First, learn the importance of marketing and the need to have a plan of action in order to learn how to increase your money in MLM Online. If you do not have a marketing plan, chances are you will be considered a fly-by-night entrepreneur. Learn to research the market, ask yourself, what is working now? Your first step should be to answer the question, what is working now? This will help you find the best formula that is suited for your business. Determine what niche you want to focus on. Then, make sure you find the proper tools to drive traffic to your website. It is a good idea to know that if you want to know how to increase your money in MLM Online, you need to know how to drive traffic to your website. There are many ways to get free traffic, but not all of them work. Some, however, will help you learn how to increase your money in MLM Online. Having free traffic can help you build a network of friends and associates. However, not all of them are interested in becoming your distributor. Make sure you focus on your marketing plan, as this will allow you to learn how to increase your money in MLM Online. As long as you follow the steps correctly, you will succeed. There are free techniques that will help you learn how to increase your money in MLM Online. However, there are also paid techniques that can be beneficial. There are also some techniques that will help you increase your money in MLM Online that you cannot use for free. The internet has many opportunities that will teach you how to increase your money in MLM Online, but it is important to make sure you find the right ones. Without following the right guidelines, you may end up wasting your time and effort. When you know how to increase your money in MLM Online, you can choose to become an affiliate. Affiliate marketing is very beneficial because it is free to start. Once you become an affiliate, you can start making money in less than 24 hours. A website or blog can be the main way you begin making money with affiliate marketing. You can also join sites that offer training and tips on how to increase your money in MLM Online. There are many opportunities available to learn how to increase your money in MLM Online. After you have learned how to make money with affiliate marketing, you can then sell your own product. You should have your own product to sell in order to make money. It is important to have your own product before you start making money with affiliate marketing. With the right guidance, you can learn how to increase your money online. You can also decide if you want to start a home business, or even get started in the business of your dreams. Thanks for watching my video about how to increase your money in MLM Online. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.